So for my Google Maps project, I decided to do it on a future trip that I plan to take to Jamaica. Um, my boyfriend and I are planning to go there in a couple of months, and we plan to spend quite some time there simply because he has family there. So it looks as though some of our locations are a bit spaced out and far apart from each other, but it's okay because we plan to maximize our visit there and we'll be there for quite some time. The first stop that we plan to make is to Rick's Cafe. And Rick's Cafe is a pretty cool place where a lot of tourists go to take pictures and make videos of themselves jumping off of a pretty popular cliff there. They also have great food and great music, and plenty of people actually go scuba diving there as well. Next on our list, we plan to go swimming with dolphins. I have gone swimming with dolphins before in the Bahamas, but my boyfriend has not. So this time, we plan to go so that he can experience it for himself as well. It's pretty cool. I love swimming with dolphins. They're super friendly, super sweet, not scary at all. He's a bit timid of being in the ocean, so we'll see how that goes, but I'm pretty excited about it. Next, we plan to take a tour of the Rose Hall Great House, which is supposed to be a haunted house, so to speak. My boyfriend and I are really big on watching like ghost adventures and things like that. We're totally into that. So we're excited about taking a tour to a haunted house. Next, we would like to visit the Green Grotto caves. We've heard pretty cool things about this from his family as well. Um, any type of tour or museums or anything of that nature, we're pretty big on and excited about. So, um, I've never been inside of a cave, so this will be something new for the both of us, and we're pretty excited about it. The next stop, which would probably be my favorite, and that is the Dunn's River Fall. I have been dying to get to this place for years, and I honestly hope for it to be our first stop. The way we kind of have it set up, it's towards the end of our trip, but I'm dying to go there. It's a pretty popular waterfall, and a lot of people hike up it actually. So I'm excited to hike it. I heard it's pretty hard to do, but we're both pretty athletic, so it should be fun. So I'm excited to do it and get some awesome pictures because I heard the view is a sight to see. Next, we have the Mystic Mountain Rainforest Adventures, and this is a pretty popular place as well. A lot of tourist activity there. They actually have things like sky lifts, and you can go bobsledding. The views are amazing. You can just spend the day at this place actually and kind of just hang out. It's more of a family oriented place. Um, Food and drinks, and just, it'd be nice just to spend the day there with his family as well. And the last stop that we have on our trip so far would be the Bob Marley Museum. Like I said, we are both really big on museums, and him and I actually grew up on Bob Marley, so it would actually be pretty cool to go and visit his house because the tour is actually a tour of his home. So it would be interesting to see how he lived during that time in Jamaica. So that is my Google Maps tour. So hopefully we can accomplish all of our missions and hopefully add some to it as well. Thanks for viewing. and hopefully you'll want to visit too.